Shubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Beripet yang ketenat kekot kakya ubah Wailad miki shila henegosngi haba jubab yang jingkali jong rupa marak MLA Halor jingklat Khynnah bakat Snem dak bageno badai nagadau ba udi ujing di ba aibor usting uliathu bakatenat kalayo jingtip habedei bergani uliathu bahadian mikalayo jing ujo nakaliang ketenat marmar kal betha ban sangeno bandi uni ujing di kata khat sau tarik nailar arjar arpundio shushu uliathu bakatenat kala Thung yang Kynhun Tohkit habedei bakani banlap yang jing shisha.
Honorable Speaker, sir, reply to star number 109. A, sir, yes, sir. B, sir, interim order for suspension was issued white letter number CFSM/DC.enforcement/2025.66/2027 dated 14 August 2026 by the Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya under the Food Safety and Standard Act 2006, imposing a statewide freeze on and prohibition of the sale and distribution of Sting energy drink. 2, sir, an immediate inquiry was ordered to be conducted by the FSO West Garo Hills, Turasa.
Your supplementary, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to thank the Honorable Minister in charge for his reply. But before I submit my supplementary questions, I would like to clarify. I would like to make a clarification to the Honorable Minister in charge about my question. Number B. I was asking for the reason for the loss of life of that student, but in the reply, the Minister replied about the action taken. So, may I know from the Minister in charge how the loss of life occurred to this student?
Sir, according to, since the Honourable Member have clarified that he seek for the reason of the demise of the person, sir, according to the report from the civil hospital, sir, according to the doctor report, sir, the reason for the death of the person is the irreversible shock due to acute gastroenteritis (AGE) leading to acute kidney injury, sir.
Thank you. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge the exact date and location where it occurred?
Sir, according to the report, so according to the report, sir, the person died in the hospital, sir, in the civil hospital, Tura.
Thank you. My another supplementary question. May I know from the Minister in charge the inquiry report conducted by the FSO West Garo Hills?
Yes, sir. Sir, the sequence of events and the report conducted on, sir, according to the report which we have seen in the local newspaper on 12 August 2026, a local newspaper reported that a young boy had died allegedly due to the consumption of Sting energy drink. The news subsequently went viral. On 13 August 2026, a complaint regarding the reported incident was received from the press. The Commissionerate immediately directed all Assistant Commissioner of Food Safety and designated officer to take stock of the matter, white letter number CFSM/DC.enforcement/2025.66/2025 dated 13 of August 2026. On 14 August 2026, sir, an interim distribution freeze and prohibition on the product was imposed pending inquiry. An urgent online meeting was convened with all designated officer and food safety officers. Two concerned food safety officers were directed to conduct an immediate inquiry, white letter number CFSM/DC.enforcement/2025.66/211 and CFSM/DC.enforcement/2025.66/212, both dated 14 August 2026. On 14 August 2026 again, sir, the inquiry report was received at 11:45 p.m. from the Food Safety Officer, West Garo Hills, white letter number FSO/West Garo Hills INSP/2026-27/107 dated 14 August 2026. On 15 August, the inquiry concluded that no causal relationship was established between the student's death and the consumption of Sting energy drink. In the absence of medical or legal ground for continuation, the restriction, the interim distribution freeze and prohibition was withdrawn. Thereafter, Sting was permitted to return to the market in Meghalaya. The Commissioner of Food Safety clarified that withdrawal of the interim restriction was a factual outcome of the inquiry and not an endorsement of the product, while routine food safety surveillance and sampling will continue, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge the age of that student who was unfortunately died?
12 years of age, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, Sting is an energy drink which carries high level of caffeine and sugar, making it unsuitable for the children and adolescents to consume it, and even for lactating mothers. So, does this Sting carry a warning on the label?
Sir, this Sting, this product, whenever it's come into the market, it has to qualify certain rule and regulation, and all the required ingredients or the additive, it has to be under the permissible limits. So, sir, right now I don't have the information whether the warning is there or not, but sir, it is under the regulations.
Thank you. I would like to make one suggestion and submission. This energy drink, the Sting, it is being sold in open market, even in the small villages, in the small shops, randomly, even to children, even to lactating mothers, even to adolescents. So, can the government give an assurance that it will have some prohibitory order to those retailers or the small, even to the small shops, which are selling the Sting energy drinks?
Sir, right now, sir, there is no direction or any sir, in the product where it's mentioned that the children or the lactating mother cannot take this Sting, sir. So it is like I said, sir, when it is made, it has to clear all the required regulations, sir, and it is and right now, like I mentioned, that there is nothing mentioned that it is not not advisable for children or lactating mothers, sir. Until and unless we have any proven medical connections, sir, we cannot give any order, sir.
One more, sir. While the minister was replying, I was doing a check on the internet, and I happen to know that the Sting carries a warning which says not recommended for children, but I can see it properly because it's from the internet. Lactating women, persons sensitive to caffeine. It carries a warning, sir. So, can I get an assurance that it will have a prohibitory order who are selling the caffeine not to sell this product to children and lactating mothers?
Thank you so much, sir. I would like to thank the honorable member for helping me out here. That since, sir, he himself, sir, have mentioned that the warning itself is already in the label. So, sir, that itself, sir, is prohibitory. And, sir, I said, it's already in the warning label, sir. So it's already like kind of order, sir, in the state. in the, or in the distribution, sir.
One more question, sir. Okay. So what action will be taken on those who are selling, despite this warning on the label, to children, adolescents, and to lactating mothers?
So it's already in the Act, sir, in the food safety, so it will be taken according to the law, sir.
Yes, Barden.
Sir, in the course of the reply, the Honourable Minister has mentioned that after the inquiry had been done, it was found that it was not because of the consumption of sting. So may I know what was actually the cause that led to the death of this student?
Sir, like I already mentioned, sir, according to the report from the hospital, sir, where he was admitted and unfortunately passed away, sir, the doctor have mentioned, sir, that the probable cause of death is irreversible shock due to acute gastroenteritis, AGE, leading to acute kidney injury, AKI, sir.
Dr. Mukul Sangma, please. Dr. Mukul Sangma, you can.
Sure.
Yes, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think it's only appropriate for the House to recall this issue was discussed earlier also. In general, that the need to really activate our complete monitoring and supervision activities in sync with the Act, our National Food Safety and Standard Act 2006. There seems to be some kind of complacency in enforcing this provision. I think even the reply in course of the supplementary itself is reflective of this. Therefore, I think it is important for government to take stock of all these challenges, because we cannot just shy away that, okay, that report of that doctor should be taken as evidence of the cause not being attributed to that consumption of that particular energy drink. Because, the limitations are there for every medical practitioner, keeping in mind the other investigative procedure which the doctor should have resorted to before arriving at this conclusion. Therefore, whether all measures after this unfortunate incident has been taken, whether any review has been done in order to ensure safety of the consumers pertaining to various other food items which are being sold in the market. Many of them are already expired. I have referred earlier in the House. One very good friend of mine brought some beautiful snacks, all important. And after, I have the habit of checking the date of manufacture, date of packing, date of import, everything. That advisory to the consumer. Because consumers are buying, market is flooded with experiment food items because the advisory, the awareness program, whose job it is, Mr. Speaker, sir, in view of the fact that today the processed food and packed food have flooded the market all across the state. That's why there is a need to we have to re-strategize our approach to deal with this challenge. I think this requires complete seriousness that it demands, because you see the children. Every holiday we see the mothers moving around the market, and the children all, gravitating towards those shops. Now it is very difficult for the parents also to say no, and in absence of any advisory and warning. Therefore, making the long story short, since it's a question hour, Mr. Speaker, sir, I think there is a need, I feel that there is a binding responsibility of the government, which is found to be wanting till now. Given the situation, given the challenge that we are confronted, I have tried to draw the attention of the government earlier also. I have given the example, I have named the markets also. We can go now also, we'll see lots of expired food products, packed ones. Therefore, let me get an assurance from the government, this issue being very serious. It is not that there will be immediate death. There may be many toxins. Therefore, may I get a categorical assurance today in this August House that a review on this issue and the enforcement of the law with utmost sense of sincerity and responsibility will be initiated immediately, sir. And this should include advisory to the retailers, advisory to the shopkeepers, advisory to the consumers. Whether this will be done, I want a categorical assurance today, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you, Speaker, sir. Through you, I thank the Honorable LO for his concern and especially for his, he want a assurance. But, sir, let me place it on the on record, and I will share for the benefit of the House, sir, that not only because of the report, the medical report from the hospital, but, sir, we have done our inquiry, and there were a lot of facts that before that we did the we met the mother of the children who died, sir, and on her statement, sir, on her written statement record, sir, she clearly mentioned that even before these children died, he was never fond of this sting drink, sir. That is the first point, sir, and later on the doctor also in his history, sir, has mentioned that before the incident, he had not consumed any packaged food or packaged drink, sir. That's what another one, sir. And also, sir, it is not because of this incident, but even regularly, sir, our food inspector officer, food safety officer, sir, they regularly take the sample, sir, the regulatory sample, which we are mandated to take every month. That is, we have to go and inspect minimum of 10 food business operators, sir, in our state. We have to take 10 regulatory sample and 15 surveillance samples, sir. And just for the information of the House, sir, that even before this incident which happened, sir, even before that, sir, we have the report of the surveillance sample which we have taken of the same drink, sir, stink, which we have sent in the month of April and also in the month of May, sir, which the report is here, and this report is, sir, from the lab, which is NABL accredited lab, sir, in the country, and this they also show, sir, that the sample is confirmed, sir. And also, sir, after the incident, we did take the review meeting, and also, sir, we have taken the sample and we have sent it to the different NABL lab all over the country. We have taken 6 regulatory samples of this thing and 8 surveillance samples, sir, and we have sent, sir, we have taken from North Garo Hills on 13th of August, from West Khasi Hill we have taken 17 and 19 of August, South Garo Hills we have taken on 14, West Giant Hills we have taken on 17, West Garo Hill we have taken, the date is not here, sir, the Ribhoi district on 18 of August, Eastern West Khasi Hills on 19, West Khasi Hills on 17 of August, East Giant Hills on 17 of August, sir. And we are awaiting for the report, sir, because it's take some time, sir, for the report to come, sir. And regularly, sir, just for the benefit of the House, and regularly, sir, we have been taken all this time, sir, that just for the information of the House, that the total number of inspection done for the last 3 years is 3,756, and the total regulatory sample tested during the last 3 years is 2,844, and total surveillance sample tested during last 3 years is 5,741, sir. And along with that, sir, we have been taking a lot of sample of milk, of fresh food, meat, food grain, confectionery, water, and all other items, sir. So this is just to inform the House, sir, that the department is trying its best in doing its best, sir, and we have been testing and doing the regular surprise inspection, sir. So I think, sir, with this submission, sir, I hope that and will continue, and I assure the Honorable LO of the House that his point is well taken, and from the department we assure that we'll continue to our continuous efforts to make sure that the food which are there in the state will be safe for the people of the state, sir. Thank you.